what dinner time with my 5 foster kittens looks like.
Pieces came out nice. Let's move on to chopping up some more lumber because we need to work on that top while I mill and flatten. Some of them went for $15,000, so they really can get up there in price, but I still love my smalls.
That's something. There's no doubt about it. Ease is a greater threat to progress.
Side profile of the tray. Then I'll drop that off and pick up the 46202-K, 1/4 inch down.
Multi-rabbit 49352.